Hello, this is James Griffin Jordan Productions, and today I'm going to show you how to make another background type in Pixelmator. This requires just doing some simple paintbrush drawings and then some blurs. This is a pretty simple tutorial. So first, you got your canvas here. I'm going to use this. I'm going to first do a gradient on the background. Let me zoom out here. Always zoom out. Doesn't matter. This is just an example. Then I'm going to create another layer, and you can choose any color. You just want to scribble all over with multiple colors, like blues and greens. This is what I do. You can do any color you want, but I'm just doing blue, green, yellow, whatever. This makes it so it's nice. Do a little darker green. It's not going to look like this when it's done. Here's a little dark blue. Okay, we're done. What we are going to do now is I'm going to bring out my effects, and we're going to do a Gaussian blur. See? You want 100 pixels. See, now you got a little nice. You can change the opacity to match the gradient, but I'm just going to do this, leave it 100%. You can do a little motion blur to get some extra blurring of it. But I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, then we create a third layer over here. You can't see some of this stuff because it's on my other screen. And we're going to go to our effects. And we're going to do defocus. Doesn't matter the time, you can choose your size. I'm going to blur it some. I want some blur here. Use hexagon if you want. I'm going to use hexagon. Change that size, change the density. Okay. Then what you want to do is change the opacity to just a little bit. And so you have a little effect. This would actually be better. I think this would be better because then now you have this blue-green effect. Now what you want to do is you can do anything you want, but what I'm going to do is do a little image hose like this. I'm going to choose colors, do blue for the image, and light green for the background. Then what I'm going to do is change the opacity down to about 20%. On this layer, on the second layer, which was originally our bottom layer, is 92% opacity. Then the first layer is 100%. Now you can get rid of that background layer, and you got a nice little image going on. Now what you want to do is you can add some text. You have to put it on top though to be able to edit. So I'm going to do example text. And choose your fonts. This is the font I've been using lately. Then if you want to stylize it, what you have to do is go to layers and convert into shape. Now you have a shape. Now you bring over your shape style. You can use color, gradient for fill, stroke. You can do shadows and stuff like this. And I'm done with the text. You can create gloss and stuff if you want to, or a bright glow. But this is pretty much it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.